my square foot gardening carrots here. I'm going to harvest a few because they look a bit ready. I took one out yesterday. It was absolutely delicious. I see another one here that I can get to. How do you know if it's going to be ready? So basically you want to go for ones that have got really thick stems. They're ready to go. I'm going to get this one here. Can you see that? See, that's a thick stem and that looks really good. These are really stalky like, but I suppose it does depend on what variety carrot you get. I don't bother with the smaller varieties because they're just too small. So you're just going to go like this, move the soil around the defender, and you'll see that this is ready. The greens are pretty thick here, so that's just going to come out just like that. There we go. So this variety is the all seasons variety. I actually really like the flavour, and if you want to juice them or make a carrot cake, then that's 2 carrots that will do the job. This is not thick enough for my liking, so I'm going to leave that there a bit longer. I will fill this spot where the carrots were with some cow manure or some type of feed. If I had compost, I'll do that too. This one here, I'm going by the greens, very stalky green, very thick looking, so I will just move the soil a bit. Just don't forget that one. Oh, but look at that. There we go, that's a beetle larvae, what's it called? They're like mealworms. That'll turn into a beetle, but I don't know what type. This one over here looks quite stalky. Looks quite nice. Let's see. Yep, so that's good. There's my carrot cake. So basically this was 2 square feet of carrots. So 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres, and I sowed 16 carrots in each hole. 32 carrots. This is what we have. 1 carrot cake.